Hey guys, okay, so we're back again, and I'm going to show you how to put that circle behind the model. So, um, what I do is I click my magic wand tool, I set it at a tolerance of 8. So, if you watch the previous video, this is very similar to making the background white, but just click anywhere in the background, and you should be okay. Anywhere in the white background, white background. Professional speaker here. So click once, and then you're going to hold your Shift key and add to that selection by clicking in the other parts of the white area. But I know that I'm going to put the circle like right in this area, so I'm not really too concerned masking down here. So I'm going to hit my quick mask tool because I can tell some of the other parts of the image got selected, which I don't want. So I'm going to select a hard edge brush and watch your foreground background colors here. Cause if you don't, one adds and one takes away. So anyway, so we want to add to this mask here. So I'm just going to kind of click in here, make sure I get her selected, and then of course it took out some of the white here, so I'll just kind of zoom in and make sure the cigarette is all in there. And just add to the selection there. Get it as best you can. Okay, and I think that's going to do it. So I hit the Q key again, take off the quick mask, and now we're going to go select inverse. So now we've actually selected her. Hit your Shift F6 key, and we're going to feather this 1 pixel. Click OK, and then do a Control J. So basically it puts that selection on another layer. And then we're going to click the background layer, and we're going to add a layer. And then we're going to take our elliptical marquee tool. We're going to hold the Shift key so we make it a perfect circle, and then just click and drag. And that looks about good. You can resize this later. That looks good for our purposes here. And so basically what I've done is I'm going to pick kind of a pink color in here. Just, a little bit darker. Your choice. So you pick whatever you want. And now I'm going to click the gradient tool, and then I'm just going to start from the center, click and drag out, and that's actually opposite what I want. So I'm going to do a Control Z. I'm going to switch the foreground and background color because I want the white in the middle. So there, that looks a little bit better, but I'm going to do a Control Z again. What I'm going to do is feather that, and this is up to you if you want to feather that circle. So maybe 15 pixels, click OK. It'll just add another dimension to the circle if you want. Click and drag just outside the circle. So there you go. That's it. And you got, you can position that, do a Control T. You can make it bigger or smaller, however you want to do. And so there you go. There you have instant pinup, right? So yeah, I like to make these short and sweet. So there you go, kids. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.